Every block of butter begins with carefully collected fresh dairy milk.
Fresh milk must remain cold to preserve its quality.
A carefully controlled journey protects every drop along the way. Every delivery begins with strict receiving procedures. Quality is verified before processing can begin. Only approved milk enters the production system. The journey to butter truly begins with fresh cream. Carefully chilled cream preserves the flavor of tomorrow's butter. Every transfer is monitored for consistency and safety. Now the transformation from cream to butter begins. Inside the churn, controlled motion begins the butter-making process. Every batch begins with perfectly balanced cream. Pasteurization protects quality while preserving rich flavor.
Proper aging prepares the cream for efficient churning. Every movement is carefully controlled before churning begins.
The cream is now ready for its biggest transformation.
Continuous motion begins separating butter from buttermilk. Millions of tiny butter grains begin to emerge.
The rich heart of butter production is now fully underway.
The butter separates naturally as the remaining liquid drains away.
Removing buttermilk improves both flavor and shelf life. A careful wash protects the butter's clean, fresh taste.
Gentle working creates butter's smooth, creamy texture.
Precision seasoning ensures consistent flavor in every batch. Vacuum mixing delivers a dense and uniform texture. Perfect moisture levels define premium butter quality. Refinement creates the smooth finish consumers expect. Continuous forming prepares the butter for precise portioning. Now, precision automation takes over the finishing process. Precision cutting ensures every butter block meets exact specifications.
Controlled cooling stabilizes the butter before packaging.
Even cooling protects both texture and structure. Every block is measured before reaching consumers.
Protective wrapping preserves freshness from factory to table.
Traceability is built into every single package. Accurate weight guarantees consistency in every purchase. Automation delivers speed without sacrificing precision.
Every carton is securely sealed for transport. The finished butter now moves toward final precision inspection.
Precision continues long after the butter is wrapped. Every package is inspected from every angle.
Every package carries its complete production history.
Preparation ensures flawless pallet construction. Automation stacks every case with remarkable precision. Secure wrapping protects every shipment during transport. Every pallet receives its own unique identity. Every shipment flows through a carefully synchronized system.
Finished butter is now ready for controlled storage.
Before shipment, every batch must pass its final quality approval. Every production batch undergoes one final inspection. Scientific testing confirms every production standard. Precision measurements ensure complete consistency. Correct moisture defines butter's quality and shelf life. Texture is measured with scientific precision. Appearance reflects careful control throughout production. Safety is confirmed through rigorous microbiological testing.
Every result is verified before release.
The butter is now approved for distribution. After passing every test, the journey nears its final destination. Every approved pallet is stored under carefully controlled conditions. Every shipment is selected with complete traceability. Cold chain logistics begin before the first pallet is loaded. Proper loading preserves freshness throughout transportation. Every shipment leaves only after final verification. And this is how modern factories produce butter from start to finish. The cold chain continues until the butter reaches consumers. A carefully managed supply chain delivers freshness worldwide. Millions of precise operations come together to create one everyday product.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more real factory breakdowns.